Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Delicious Recipe. Today I'll be making falafel. It is a traditional Middle Eastern fast food, so let's get started. First, add in dry chickpeas that have been soaked in water overnight. And don't use canned chickpeas if you want the best texture and flavor. Next, add in fresh parsley and coriander to give them bold, authentic flavor. Next, add onions and pulse it little bit at a time until the mixture is finely ground. Next, transfer the falafel mixture to the bowl. Next, add in half a teaspoon of baking powder. That's what gives an airy and fluffy texture to the falafel. Now, to season the falafel mixture, add in some paprika, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, salt for your taste, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of allspice powder, and give it a good mix. Next, cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. The chilled mixture will make it hold together better, making it easier to form the falafel patties. After 30 minutes of resting the mixture, form the patties. I'm using falafel patty maker. You can use your hand to form the balls. Next, make a hole in the middle to get crispy and crunchy falafel. Next, press some sesame seeds into the falafel. Next, carefully drop the falafel into the medium-high heat oil and fry for 3 to 5 minutes. And voila, they're done. But I like to make sandwiches out of falafel, or you can serve with hummus too. Oh boy, look at this. They're light and airy on the inside with a crispy outside that isn't hard to break with your teeth. And falafel are great both hot and cold, which makes them wonderful to have on hand for meals and also for snacks. No matter what you pair it with, you're sure to love this unique combination of herbs and spices and how delicious this food is. Alrighty everyone, please like this video, comment, share with your loved ones, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for more. Thank you for watching, bye bye.